Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So in today's video I will be separating some of these pups and I will be placing them on a wooden plank where it is very dry. It doesn't come in contact with any moisture to check if there is any issue or not, because this is something that I've been doing for quite some time, whether it's leaf propagation, whether it's stem cutting or separating the offsets. I lay it on a dry surface over here. The best option that I have is the wooden stand that I have. So I think somebody had a problem wherein their succulent pups started to rot after they placed it on the wooden stand. Now I'm not very sure what exactly is the reason. Probably they might have come in contact with some moisture or water. So today I'm going to be experimenting and showing it to you once again. I will be separating. These are my Echeveria. These are Echeveria pretty in pink. So I will cut it off. First one, only the ones that are large. The others I'm going to leave them as it is because they're still very small. Or probably I can do another cutting. There we go. So we have 3 of them. The rest of them I'm going to leave them as it is, and you can see a lot of dry leaves. Now even this pot I'm going to keep it in the same place where the wooden plank is because I've just done the cutting. I do not want them to come in contact with any rain. So these are the remaining ones that I have. So we'll clean this. So we're going to clean all of the dry leaves and we're going to set them aside. So you can see now I'm not going to be applying any cinnamon powder, any rooting hormone, nothing. We have just done the fresh cutting, 3 of them, as you can see. And now I'm going to place them on this wooden plank. So 1, 2 and 3. So there is no rooting hormone, there is no cinnamon powder. I have just done the fresh cut and I've kept them on the wooden plank, and we are going to check after a couple of days whether they are going to survive, whether they will put out new roots or not. Hi guys, so I am back home and I had done the cutting. If you remember, probably because I left on the 21st of July and today is the 4th of August. So these cuttings were done on the 20th of July, I think, and I had put them on this wooden plank because I think I had got a comment wherein the person had a little difficulty with her pups and they did not survive when she kept it on the wooden plank. They kind of rotted, but I wanted to give you an example. So I had done the cutting on the 20th of July. Went on the vacation, came back yesterday on the 3rd of August, and this is how it looks on the 4th of August. And if I'm going to show you the root area, you can see all of them have rooted. Now this place does not get any kind of moisture. Basically no rainwater or raindrops tend to fall on this spot. A little bit of dry leaves, which is absolutely okay, but you can see the amount of roots. We will take out the dry leaf and you can see the amount of roots on the cuttings. Very healthy. Even that one leaf that had fallen down, I had kept it aside. You can see a small little tiny pup with, there are no roots, that's not the root, but you can see that tiny pup. I'll put it into the soil later. This was the 3rd one. Even the 3rd one has also rooted really well. So all the 3 of them have rooted. This one is a little bit dry because I have not watered, I wasn't around. So it's been more than a week, I guess, definitely more than a week, but you can see they have all rooted and they're looking fantastic. I will probably pot them after some time. I still have a lot of things to do. My succulents have been doing quite well even though I was away, but my foliage plants have taken a crazy amount of beatings because they were not watered. But now I'll have to sit and first take care of my foliage plants. My succulents have been doing quite well. They don't have much of an issue. So that was a very big relief because I have more of succulents than foliage plants. So if the succulents would have had a hard time, it would have been really heartbreaking. But luckily they have all done quite well. They have also rooted. Some of them have also got stress colors because of lack of watering, but all of them are doing quite well. I will definitely make a video tomorrow because right now it's already evening and it's about to rain. So I have to finish up with the other gardening things. I had bought in some more plants, so I have to plant them, but I will definitely show you the other plants, succulents. Well, I might as well show it to you right now. So these were all neglected. They were all out there. In fact, this one has already flowered, but it's extremely dehydrated. You can see all the leaves have started to close in. Some leaves that had fallen down in this have started to propagate, but this one has flowered. Most of the succulents are doing quite well. My Dusty Rose is completely compact. Leaves are looking perfect. Pups are looking fantastic. I had not done the cutting. I'm going to leave it as it is. But all of them are doing quite well. Campfire has also put out some pups. My Tito Barnes is doing quite well. Agaves are looking perfect because they don't need a lot of watering. My Golden Glow, the Sedum Golden Glow, is doing fantastic. So I will leave them as it is. I will probably do a watering tomorrow because today I feel it is going to rain. So I don't want to water them right now. I had not put up the plastic on them because I was not there around to water it. So in case if I would have put the plastic, we need to take out the plastic when there is sun. If nobody is going to take out the plastic, then the succulents will get burnt because of the direct sunlight. So I had not put the plastic. I had just left it on nature, and even the small cuttings have also rooted and they are doing quite well. So I didn't want to put a plastic and harm them further, because whenever you have put the plastic to protect them from rain, when there is direct sunlight, you have to take out the plastic. So there was nobody to take out the plastic, so I didn't put it. I just left it on nature. Kind of was thinking whether it's going to do quite well or not, but luckily they have all done quite well. The Echeveria is also doing quite well. This is the cat paw. It is about to bloom. That's amazing to see. Never seen a bear paw or a cat paw blooming, so this is the first time I'm noticing this. Amazing. All the plants are doing quite well. Here as well, all of these are doing quite well. My Crassula is almost about to bloom, and I seen that it's also putting out a second bloom. So these are also doing quite well. Quite happy about it, that all of them were doing quite well. Again, I had not put up any plastic sheet because, as I said, nobody to take it out. So I had left them on the mercy of nature, and nature has definitely taken very good care of my succulents. So all of them are looking fantastic, and that's about it. We will I will probably do a watering depending upon how the situation is. This one has got a little bit of damage because this place there are some pigeons that do come. So the pigeons had attacked some of these plants over here. You can see they had broken some of my plants. So far, apart from the pigeon attack, I think they are looking fantastic. This one probably had some kind of issue, probably drying. Probably the stem was drying. I don't know. I'll have to be a little bit more careful, because the pigeons have started to come and sit on my succulents over here. I used to feed them. I think I'll stop doing that because I do feel bad for them at times, but I think they are creating an havoc over here. So probably I'll have to stop doing that. But overall, I think they're looking all perfect. They're looking fantastic. I will just keep a watch on that raindrop. I do have other raindrops, but I think I will move it off. Doesn't look like any kind of rot. The stem is very thick, just some breakage on the leaves. That's absolutely okay. We'll take care of it. So guys, overall all of the plants are doing quite well. I will have to again sit and check each and every one of them so that I can get a better idea. Not going to be watering it today. So guys, that's all about it. So the cuttings on the wooden plank have rooted. I will do the repotting probably tomorrow once I have the soil mix in place. Even these have also put out. You can see the amount of roots on these small Echeveria that I had done the cutting. You can see the roots. I have not watered them, so I'll be watering them. I had done the bottom watering last time when I made the video, but after that I have not done the watering. So I'll be watering them today. Same thing, I'll do the bottom watering, and overall you can see they're doing excellent. So guys, that's all about it. If you're doing any cuttings, ensure that your environment and your climate is perfect. I again had got a comment wherein the person lost the succulents because it has been raining a lot. If you are from a place which has a very high amount of humidity and it is raining, please avoid doing any cuttings. Wait for the environment to get a little bit stable. Ideally, winter is the best time. When you have the beginning of the winter, probably you can do some cuttings and then see, because during the monsoon season, that is the main issue. The water vapor or the moisture will end up on the succulents some way or the other, because there's a lot of wind. I living on the terrace, I know how bad the rain can be. It can be very windy, and somehow even a small little drop of water can destroy the entire succulent. You might have seen my crassula video as well. So be extremely careful. If you feel that the weather is not right, do not do any cuttings. Wait for some time. Even for that matter, if your succulent is stretched, it's absolutely okay. Wait for some time, let the climate get a little bit stable, and then go ahead and do a cutting. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.